Did you know that if you do not use your prepaid gift cards right away, they start to lose value? What?
Bumpy ride.
It's a bumpy ride with gift cards. With prepaid gift cards. So if you don't use your prepaid gift cards the moment you get them, they start to lose value. So a $75 gift card loses $3 every month for 25 months. That's crazy. So we're doing a no spend challenge this week for 7 days. We have these Tim Horton cards. We're gonna see how much money is on them, which ones have been used, which ones haven't been used, because we are unsure. It's cool. What? So, I want to check what the balance is on these cards. Yeah.
Can you swipe? And your balance will show to you.
Doesn't show anything.
Your card is not working. You should try again. Try to do it slowly.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, nothing. I'm gonna try this one.
Okay, you should try again.
Nothing. Okay, let's try this one. No. Oh, 10 cents. 10 cents.
You want to print that?
What?
You want to print that receipt? Or
No, I don't. That's embarrassing. This one.
I just want to know what you guys are doing. Like, she is recording you.
No, me. She's recording me. But I want to see what these balance is on this.
And you are wearing mic.
Yeah, it's for my thing.
Okay, you can try it now.
I don't want to go through the drive-thru and then try to use it and it doesn't work. Nothing. Okay, this one. $1.92. And then this one you gotta scan. Anything?
Nothing.
Okay, so I got like $2.
That's a points card.
This is a points card?
Yeah.
So you have to put money on it.
You will get points on it.
Oh, points on it. Okay. So I got like $2. Okay, thank you. Wow, so of these two cards, I got $2 of. That was embarrassing.
Because I know they charge like $5.65 or something.
They took $15 from me.
15. I went back to 2022 just to make sure. So from August when you had this. No, so if you got it July, then August. I think from the time of purchase. And then, yeah, they just went 72, 69, 66, 63, 60.
Oh, so they take $3 a month.
$3 a month
Could you
for
imagine?
a prepaid gift card.
That's wild.
So what is that? We'll do the math on that. $75 divided by 3. Like how many months you have?
25.
You have 13 months, or no, 2 years to use that card or to expire. Gift cards expire. That's crazy.
I'll never buy anybody that again.
Wow.
I'll just put the money
Crazy.
in the thing because
Might as
$3,
well.
$3.
And I spent like $55 to put this one here.
See, the thing is, if you activate it, it does that to you. If you give it to the person, then they lose $5 because you cannot pay the activation fee. So if I buy a $75 gift card, I'm actually paying $81 for it because there's an activation fee. But some people, they don't pay it. Either way. Scam my damn day, yo.
You gotta get schemed or you gotta get.
Wait.
You're buying a Stanley Cup. We're trying to do a no spend challenge, and you're buying Stanley Cups. Dun, dun.
Brusky, you already have a Stanley Cup.
Well, look at this.
She's on team no save.
You are not buying a Stanley Cup to you.
But if I get it, we can share.
Don't fall in the trap. We're trying to survive with no spend
Then you,
for 1
then
week.
I use that one, blunt. And I get a Stanley Cup. Give you my
This is 50.
So write them down. Make it make sense.